Let me snore back there.
Oh,
It's gonna happen, dude.
oh. Can we focus? Like, what's happening? Just pulled up to the airport. Travel vlog, travel vlog, travel vlog alert. We're here with Bad Influence. We're here with VP. We're here with the Goose. Because it's your boy's bachelor party and we flying out to Miami. Hell yeah, brother. Wait, Goose, tell us what happened. They confiscated your bag. What happened?
Yeah, they first asked me if there was any explosives in there.
Uh-huh.
I told them, no, there's only empanadas and chimichurri.
Oh.
I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, all right, no further comments.
Hey, no cap. I would have been upset if they would have confiscated our empanadas, dude. I'm hungry.
14.
14? I thought it was 6.
Oh, they would change it. No, that's for the next.
Boarding is now complete. Flight attendants, secure the cabin for departure, please.
Take care, guys. Yeah, let's go. Safe out there.
Just landed in Miami. It's 7:36 local time, so that means it's like 4:30 in the morning our time on the West Coast. I slept all of like 1 hour. We got a layover in Charlotte, North Carolina, but we made it. Now we're about to go get the rental car and go grub.
Hi, Jordan. I was just trying to, if you want to tell me something, repeat it like 3 times.
All right, y'all. We just pulled up to the Airbnb. Y'all are in for a treat. We were in for a treat. Y'all are in for a treat. Check this out, right? So you first walk in, you got your kitchen. Don't mind the luggage, we just got here. First walk in, you got your kitchen, right? You got your Goosington right here. You got Chatteezy Fashizi. Or damn, you already cracking open a Truly? Show you the little kitchen area. We got a nice little dope little kitchen, you know what I'm saying? All the amenities, right? But here's the crazy part, all right? You ready for this? Like, hold on. Like, are you ready for this, Disney Nation? Look at this view. Like, look at this absolute beauty of a view. Sorry if it's a bit windy. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Miami Beach. And then of course you just walk in here, got a little desk or whatever, TV. This is a pull-out couch bed thing. Got a washer dryer. We got 2 bathrooms. One's occupied, so we ain't gonna go in there. And then we got here the master suite, king bed, nice little 65-inch TV, and then just another stunning, beautiful view. Like this nice AF, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like your boy living nice right now. So I could safely say that the bachelor party weekend can now commence. Are we still planning on working out, or are we just...
Yeah, this is pre-game.
Pre-workout Truly, that's crazy. All right, so yeah, having said all that, well, okay, first of all, let me bring y'all up to speed. Basically, it's been a long, like 12, 18 hours or so, maybe even 24 hours at this, nah, not quite 24 hours. But basically, we're on little sleep, because we did it overnight, and then we've been doing stuff, hanging out all day. We just did some like little shopping stuff to pass the time until we could check in. We went and got a bunch of groceries for the weekend, like snacks, drinks, you know, water, stuff like that. And yeah, man, we pretty much just about to, there's a gym in the complex, so we about to get a little workout in. And then tonight pretty much just chill and all that. So I'm probably gonna put this vlog down, right? And just enjoy the view and the scenery and everything around. We're gonna be low key tonight. We're gonna kick it and just, you know, have some dinner and find a little spot to hang out at. But yeah, we'll pick this back up tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're doing Top Golf tomorrow, right? Yeah. Top Golf tomorrow. Yeah. Stay tuned, stay locked in.
Forgot the camera, so we phone vlogging. It's raining, so it's fine. We're not gonna really be vlogging much anyways. But I just pulled up to Top Golf, going to do some top golfing. My man actually dressed for the occasion. Let's go. The top golfing. And yeah, man, this rain sucks, man. Why is there rain on this vacation, bro? Top Golf vibes, you already know what it is. We smacking it, you know what I mean? I'm out here probably the only one who actually golfs, so let me show you how to hit a golf ball real quick. You don't hit it like that. I'm not gonna hit it like that the first time. Ooh, okay. 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 Oh my God, he smacked that one though. You smacked that one though. Ooh. There you go. Alright, just leaving Top Golf. Your boy won everything because I'm the best, I'm the GOAT. You know, I wake up, I piss excellence. That's about how it goes. But yeah, no, real talk though. I'm trying to get these guys into golfing, man. I want to do some golf vlogs, golf content, or even just straight up golf with the boys, for real. But anyways, next step. This is pretty much it for the day. We gotta go find a target. I need Carmex. Goose needs, what does Goose need? Goose needs a razor.
Razor here? Yeah. I'm gonna shave my head.
Shave the head.
Full body shave.
But yeah, man. So we out. We'll pick this back up tomorrow.
Peace.
Last day of the trip. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of exhausted. It's been a fun weekend. It rained basically like most of the time we've been here. It was sunny when we got here. It's sunny on our last day, and it was just pouring thunderstorms the last 2 days straight. It's been fun though. It's been a lot of fun. We rode some jet skis earlier today. So that was cool, whipping those things around. We about to go grab some food real quick. We're actually hitting up the shooting range. Check that out, because you know, Florida, anything goes in Florida, so. We just pulled up to Lock and Load, Miami. So my main reason for, this lighting is amazing by the way. My main reason for trying to come through is like, y'all know, you don't tune in, link down below, Twitch stream. We play a lot of Call of Duty on the channel, right? On the Twitch channel. So where else but Florida are you gonna get the opportunity, especially myself living in Cali, where else but Florida are you gonna get the opportunity to shoot some Call of Duty type guns, you know what I'm saying? So your boy gonna be shooting M4 today, you know, a little SMG action, a little Glock action, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's gonna be dope. One time. All right. Okay. Yeah? How was that, man? That was fucking awesome, man.
It's cool, huh?
It's dope.
Alright guys, first one's done. What we think?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's do it. This one about to be the wild ride.
up exactly. Oh my. Turned off aim assist? Yeah, man.
Main difference between this and an AR basically is this has full auto, ARs are semi-auto. 14.5-inch barrel, a little bit more accuracy to it. Caliber we're chaining up to 5.56, so it's just standard rifle round for every NATO ally, Germany, France, Spain, Belgium, Holland, etc. A lot more gunpowder behind it, so it travels about twice the speed. Gives a little bit more punch and allows you to shoot effectively to about 600 meters, so there's a lot more range behind it. It is going to make a lot more noise, okay, but very smooth gun. Not much recoil to it. It's really, really fun to shoot.
Oh, yeah, good pace. The world. I'm invincible. I don't die. Oh my God. Hell yeah.
Alright, so this is Francine. That's what I call it.
Hey, Francine.
My Call of Duty class. FN M249 SAW, which stands for Squad Automatic Weapon. This is truly a belt-fed machine gun that was designed for automatic fire. She's very good at it. Automatic only, no single fire on it. That's what it do it. Let her rip.
All right. Who got me?
A little taste on
Yeah, let's go.
Your safety is right here, my man. Okay.
Get that thing straight too. Yeah. We're just leaving Lock and Load. Thank you.
That's cool.
Yo,
Yeah.
that shit was badass, bro. That shit was so badass. Shooting them Call of Duty guns, full auto, things you can do in Florida that you can't do in Cali, bro. Just got back to the Airbnb. We just did the fun stuff of totaling up the cost of everything that we spent and Zellmageddon and zelling every which way money back and forth. But I just want to say, guys, I appreciate you all. This has been the dopest AF bachelor party. So I appreciate y'all. Yeah, Miami's lit, yo. Like, Florida's crazy, dude. But I'm gonna take y'all on this balcony one last time so we can properly send off Miami, man. Cause look at this view. That's crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss this view. Miami's been great. We've had a blast. This has all been a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed kind of coming along and, you know, the bits that I shared with you. We're gonna do like a Argentinian steakhouse type thing tonight, just the boys, one last dinner before we go back home. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, man. Subscribe, like the video, all that stuff. Really helps me out. And peace, love, and positivity. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.